In this video, we'll walk through organization settings in ThousandEyes. This submenu under account settings lets you manage security and authentication, set time zones, and control AI features for your organization. To get started, navigate to Manage, Account Settings, and select Organization Settings. Here, you'll find three tabs. First, the Security and Authentication tab, where you'll manage how users log in and what security policies are enforced. Second, the Time Zone tab, where you can choose the default web UI time zone or even configure a separate one for your notifications and snapshots. And finally, the AI Features tab, where you can turn the Cisco ThousandEyes generative AI features on or off. Let's start with the Security and Authentication tab. The first section covers Single Sign-On, or SSO. ThousandEyes allows for seamless integration with SAML 2.0-based single sign-on portals. If you want to enable this, simply toggle on Enable SSO. You can additionally enable Force SSO to require all users to use single sign-on instead of local login. SSO can be configured using one of three methods: static, import from metadata file, or dynamic. The static configuration method requires you to manually input values from your identity provider. These values include your login URL, the optional logout URL, the identity provider issuer, and the service provider issuer. You'll also need to upload one or more verification certificates by clicking Choose File. When using the Import from Metadata File option, upload the metadata XML file from your IDP. ThousandEyes will automatically parse the data and populate the necessary information for you. Alternatively, you can use the dynamic method, which uses a live URL instead of a static file. Just provide the IDP metadata URL and ThousandEyes will retrieve the latest configuration from that address each time a user signs in. Once you've entered your configuration details, click Run Single Sign-On Test to verify that your SSO configuration is working properly. If everything works as expected and the test is successful, click Save to apply your settings. ThousandEyes integrates with identity providers including Azure AD, Ping1, Okta, ADFS, and Google Workspace. For provider-specific steps, refer to the ThousandEyes documentation site. Let's move on to the SAML just-in-time and SCIM settings. With SAML just-in-time or JIT provisioning, user accounts are created automatically the first time a person logs in via SSO. Their permissions are dynamically assigned based on roles and attributes defined in your identity provider, streamlining initial access. SCIM provisioning allows you to manage users and assign default roles within account groups directly from your IDP, independent of user login activity. By default, new users receive the regular user role. You can add multiple account groups with different roles by clicking the plus button. Below SCIM settings, you'll find the Organization Security Profile section. Here, you can enable password expiration for non-SSO users who log in with an email and password. To set it up, select an expiration period in the drop-down menu. Options range from 3 days to 120 days. Users will receive an email reminder to change their password before it expires. Another useful feature is the password recycle count. This setting determines the number of different passwords a user must use before they can reuse a previously used password. When set to default, users are prevented from reusing their current password as their new one. After making any changes, click Save to apply them. In the Credentials Repository section, you can select the checkbox to Disable Global Credential Retrieval. Selecting this option will prevent all members of your organization from viewing credentials, regardless of their assigned role. Moving on to the Time Zone tab, here you can change the organization's default time zone settings. The Web UI time zone controls how dates are displayed across the Web UI, including timestamps shown in test views. An organization admin can apply this setting for the entire organization. The notification and snapshots time zone can be set independently from the Web UI. Keep in mind that the user's chosen time zone in their personal profile will always take precedence over the organization-level settings. Finally, let's look at the AI Features tab. Here you can determine whether Cisco ThousandEyes generative AI features are enabled across your entire organization. Simply toggle GenAI data usage on or off to enable or disable the generative AI features to all accounts in your organization. So that wraps up our overview of organization settings in the ThousandEyes platform. Thanks for watching.